can see the gap. Close. Big Pony Club. No, Pink Pony. Pink Pony Club. You don't got to over tighten these either. As soon as you get down, that's it. We always start our first board with a hidden screw because sometimes these won't hold it directly in place. So slide around a little on you. Sometimes we cut these boards, sometimes we don't. We like to use the track saw at the end to get a nice crispy line. Especially when the decks are not completely square, which it isn't on this little roof deck area. I wish they made this bit a little shorter. Just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. I'll have to figure out what that is. A little Del Vail. Get that right off. Bada bing.